once again. So just before I move on for my work, I just want to say something. Let's make some random video. So made it once again, man. Congratulations. We have another day to fight for it. We have another day to crush it. We have another opportunity. So let's not waste this day. Let's fight for our dreams. Let's chase for what we have been chasing from before. Let's crush it this time, man. Just believe in yourself. Let anyone tell you anything about you, but you know better what than anyone else. So hoping that you'll have a great day and chill and have a great day.